Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking for a way to travel with your birds, I highly recommend this large pink bird backpack carrier. This is by Junicoot. I love the design of it. I love how this transparent space capsule domes out, so they have a little extra room. This is 16.61 by 12.99 by 6.1 inches, so the size of it is generous. The straps are adjustable, so I can use it or my daughter can use it. And it's really fun as well. It has everything you need, the tray to catch the bird seed, which you can remove and clean it, the cups and compartments so you can stay organized and make sure they have their food, water, treats. And it's really nice on the inside. It's padded as well. I like this top handle, so it's easy to grab. This is very sturdy. This is great for the birds to perch on because the perch mimics the natural world, and the perch is adjustable as well. You can use a side door to let the birds exit, or you can open up the front of it. It zippers really easily and opens up really nicely. It's so easy to keep clean. Plus, it's well ventilated. The birds really enjoy this, and it's really fun for our family to have them with us when we're out in nature.
We love it, but that's just our point of view.